This Golden IcePure RWF1200A water filter 4-pack delivers clean, fresh-tasting water that is noticeably better than what most refrigerator filters provide out of the box. The filters are independently certified for material safety and chlorine reduction, which gives extra confidence that the water is both safer and more pleasant to drink. In everyday use, the cartridges do an impressive job of cutting down chlorine odor and off flavors while still leaving the water tasting natural rather than over-processed. Each filter snaps into compatible LG and Kenmore refrigerators without tools, so even someone who is not handy can finish the replacement in just a few minutes. The recommended service life of roughly 6 months, or about 300 gallons per cartridge, is realistic, and performance stays consistent rather than dropping off sharply near the end. Buying this 4-pack at once means you have replacements on hand for well over a year, reducing hassle and helping ensure you never forget to change the filter on time.